So this is the letter that was filed with respect to the birthing video. And I already have a whole video about this, but there's something here that I want to point out. And I want you to pay attention to the language that's being used. This is what illustrates to me that some of these letters are PR. Here they say that Mr. Heath has produced only a 3-minute video excerpt depicting "we don't get to know." Why not? We know it's a birthing scene, so how could it be worse than us imagining a birthing scene? Then it says, Mr. Heath revealed at his deposition that... What did he reveal? The insinuation here is that he revealed that it wasn't. Why? Because the sentence prior to that says that Lively has consistently disputed that the video that Mr. Heath produced pursuant to the order was the video that he showed. So he recently revealed what? One can only make a logical conclusion based off of the way that they redacted the sentence. The next time they specifically reference what was produced, they define it as a 3-minute 29-second video that shows, again, we don't know, we can assume that it had something to do with the birthing of his child. And then whenever you see lawyers put things in paren and quotations, they're saying that we're going to use this terminology to reference this much longer thing. So they have just decided to term the thing that was produced, the 3-minute and 29-second video, as produced video excerpt. They've chosen to use the word excerpt. Here's why I don't think it's an excerpt. In the footnote, it says, in tiny, tiny letters, that's not unintentional, by the way, when something is put in a footnote, to the extent Mr. Heath still refuses to produce all versions of the video, not all versions of the excerpt, all versions of the video. So this thing that you've been calling a excerpt in your letter is actually a full and complete video, and you want other versions of it. But that's buried behind the conveniently placed redactions on this letter. This is why this letter aggravates me as much as it does. It's clearly written in a way for you to think that there is evidence that is hiding. There is evidence that Wayfarer didn't produce, coupled with the fact that they're seeking sanctions of the most extraordinary kind. This letter is designed to make you think that there is something that they didn't provide, that they clipped the video that they provided her. And that, by their own admission in tiny, teeny font, is not the case. Given what I've seen some of the headlines over the weekend saying, I thought it would help you to see how I deduce what's going on behind the scenes.